Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rocket salad. First, gather your fresh rocket, ensuring it's clean and dry. You'll want about 5 ounces for a good serving. This easy method focuses on simplicity and fresh flavors, perfect for a quick side dish or light meal. We'll combine just a few key ingredients to create a delightful and healthy salad that's ready in minutes. Now, let's prepare our simple yet flavorful dressing. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. This provides a lovely tang. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined and emulsified. With your dressing ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Carefully place the clean, dry rocket leaves into a large mixing bowl. Now, pour the prepared dressing evenly over the rocket. Using salad tongs or your hands, gently toss the leaves until every piece is lightly coated with the dressing. This ensures a balanced flavor in every bite. Serve immediately for the best texture. To elevate your rocket salad, consider adding some optional ingredients. Cherry tomatoes, halved, or a few shavings of Parmesan cheese can introduce new textures and flavors. For a delightful crunch, sprinkle in some toasted pine nuts. This simple addition makes a big difference. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy rocket salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.